What's up, everybody? I'm here. I was just checking if I was recording. So today, guys, I'm doing a video. It's gonna be a fishing video. I'm gonna flip a coin whether I do a lure or like gummies for the fishing challenge. I'm gonna go outside and flip the coin. Let's see. Guys, right here, I'm gonna flip a coin. Heads, the candy, and then tails a lure. Let's see. Yes. Go heads. What am I gonna use? Some gummy worms in here. Let me do this. Sounds like a good idea. Guys, I got it. Got the gummy stuff. I don't know. I don't know if I can do it. Because I don't have my fishing rod. I forgot my fishing rod. Let's see what I have. Got some Googans. I do have a little line. I could probably use a stick. Let's see if I could do it. I'm gonna go down and try. Put the juice in there. Got all the juice. Look at all that. I think I have one more. I got my backpack. It's a fishing bag. Now I got the juice. Now I'm gonna go. On my way down. Almost there. Beach is over there. My backpack's all screwed up. Oh, dang it. Guys, I'm gonna say heads or tails for the bag, the whole gut, or should I go to the beach? Let's know. Guess down in the comments before. Pause the video now and check it out. On my way back to the house, I forgot scissors. I'm on my way now. See the beach down there. That's where I'm going. I flipped the coin. It said the gut, but I feel like, yeah, let's just go to the beach. Need a stick to cast. I feel like AP Bassin in one of his videos. On my way, baby. Whoa! R.I.P. That's gone. Yeah. Idea's gone. Lost the whole thing while I was spinning it. Flew in the water. I can see it right here. Just the bobber's popping. Look at it. You can see. Where is it? Right there, you can see it. Yeah. Look at that boat out there. I think he's fishing. Is that fishing rod? No, that's an American flag. I might do some rock skipping and then end this video. Oh, it's been a good day. Looking for the right rock to skip. Let's see if I can skip this one. No, that's not flat enough. You need to get a flat one. That's a good one right there. Nice edges. It's probably easier to do it from this hand. Yeah, I kind of failed with the fishing video, but yeah, I can't even try to retrieve that. I did like 5 right there. I saw this guy. I was watching a YouTube video. This guy was skipping. Oh, sorry. Saw something disgusting. This guy was skipping a rock, and the world record's like 88 skips, and this guy was like showing him how to skip, and it was pretty cool. Let's see if I can do that. What's up, everybody? I'm back. I'm sorry about last video. Yeah, last video I kind of screwed up. I accidentally hit the end button, end record, because on this phone it's kind of like screwed up. It's a Samsung. Nothing against Samsung, but this one sucks really. Oh, there's my bobber, as you guys saw in last video. I want to try to get it. No, I can't get my shoes wet. Okay, we're back to skipping rocks. Wow, that was like 10. That's a really good job. Let's see. Too big, too big. Perfect. Right here. Yeah, I'm gonna start skipping some more. Ooh, that guy's fishing. I want to see what he's catching. Probably throwing fish. Ooh, that one slipped pretty well. This rock's a little thick now. As you guys can see. Look how thick it is. See if I can skip it pretty well. I only did it once. I'm gonna try to do it again. The good rock. This is a little wide rock. Oh, Christ. That really is bad. See this one? I gotta find a good rock. I found a couple rocks I can skip. Got a couple right here. I got 6 with me. I'm gonna throw them off. 7 now. That's just found this bike coming back. Just found this bat. We hit some rocks into the water as this guy goes by. I'm gonna try to prop this up a little better. There we go, it's probably better. Got some rocks right here. Forever. You know what they say? Aaron Hernandez. Big rock. That's in the. Watch this. It's gonna be a mistake. Even bigger rock. Went nowhere. Broke the bat almost. Oh, I found a better rock. So. It's the bluefish in action. Watch out. That means the bluefish are biting. You can see them jumping. Oh shit. These guys need to get their rods over here. Oh, maybe they might bite mine. We could watch some. Oh, my backpack's over there. I'll go back for it. We could watch some live action seagull fishing. You'll see them. Watch the water. You see them jumping? Put it sideways for you. Wow. Down the Cape, that means that there's a lot of bluefish around. I guess they moved. That's pretty cool. I love watching that stuff. Watching the seagulls come down. Oh, there's one coming at me. Hi. Bye, Felicia. Oh, look at, they're jumping over there. Massive ones. It's just a massive fish. Oh, little one over there. That's when you should bring out your fishing rod. If I had my fishing rod right now, I'd be casting it out there. If you have your fishing rod and you see those mobs of seagulls like that, that means there's fish in the area. It's striper or sea bass, whatever the hell you want to call it. All I know is there's a lot of fish when that happens. Going back to hit some dingers. Whoa, did I just find a firework? Oh, that's a used one. Whatever. Would have been cool. Oh, it's coming in. I might be able to get my lure back. Oh no, never mind. It's right there. Holy crap, I just almost got killed. Oh, damn it, it was right there too. Ooh, never mind. Well, somebody's calling. Screw it, I'm in my... Never mind, wait. That's not somebody calling, I thought it was. It started ringing. It was an alarm. Oh, it's right there, it's right there, it's right there. Never mind. Oh, it's right in my reach. It's right in my reach, I can't go for it. I'm gonna ruin my shoes. Oh, no. Oh, my gummy worm, I see it. Going for it, going for it. Oh. Got it. Got it, guys. Woo! That was harsh. Harsh conditions out there. Welcome back, everybody, to part 3. Oh my gosh. I dove in with my shoes, basically, and got my lure back. Now I'm gonna go back. Oh, now it's Coke scented. See if the fish like that. The question is, where's my rod? Firework rod? Question mark? Actually, I might be able to download some editor app so I can get it all set. Let's see. Oh, this is perfect. Set in. Wow. I'll be right back, guys. What's up, everybody? I'm back. Oh, today was rough. I kept on hitting the buttons. Then I lost this in the water in the first video. I have to do a second video because I ran out of space. But I should be good. Let's see. Oh. Set it up right there. Oh, nope, that's gone. Fishing ideas out of the photo. Out of the picture. I'm gonna probably get an editing app because I have like four videos in all, but I just like kept on hitting this end button because on Samsung you can't really do that. You can't really do what like all the YouTubers do. Put all the videos together and like make one video, all like the clips. But I'm gonna try to do that with my computer. Where's my lures? Just mess with you. I want to see if I could do the effects like the YouTubers do. I thought it was cool. Wait, what's that? I might just do another video upload it tomorrow though, and just like keep on continuing it. If I could do the editing app, I will probably have like videos every single day for you guys. Not for the next 4 weeks, because I'm going to some camp. Concentration camp. What's up, everybody? Just did a fishing video. Screwed up. Lost my rod 3 times. I can't get the other video together because somebody started swearing. But I could do all the other ones. Let's see. Let's look around. Now I'm doing an exploring video. So I'm just exploring around, looking at things. Ooh, what's that? It's a heart. You know how I feel about that heart? Bye. Now I'm gonna explore around. You guys get to enjoy it. He's going fishing for I think he's fishing for like striper or something. Let's go explore. What time is it? I have an hour. I have an hour to explore this place. Just walk around, enjoy the view. I'll probably get pizza. I'm gonna walk up this road, go get some money. And then we're all set. I'm gonna get some pizza and then we're gonna walk and go see the skyline of Boston and the sunset. Be great. My mans, what are you doing? You gotta save the turtles. My goodness. I got some new shades. I look like a savage. Let's get up some money to go and get some pizza. Got the money. Now we're good to go. Take a video when I have the. I'll get back to you guys when I get the food. And that will be in like 15 minutes. Actually, no, like 35 minutes. Can't wait to use this YouTube app I just downloaded. Hopefully it's good. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you liked it, hit the like button. If you dislike it, hit the dislike button. But I hope none of you will hit the dislike button. Subscribe if you're new. See you guys later. Bye.